Ultimately, what I was looking for out of college was a path to a vocation. I wanted to have some certainty that there would be a job waiting for me on the other side, and engineering seemed like the safest way to be assured of that.
I always liked math, so engineering just was a great fit for me. Not only was it close to home, but it was affordable, and I just hearing throughout the years that they had really great math teachers. And one thing about electrical engineering, your math has to be on point. That led to my decision to come to NECC.
You know, me being a person that I'm full-time student and full-time work, you know, I needed a school that could be as flexible as NECC.
The professors, they really get people that actually worked in the industry, they know what they're doing, and they're very passionate. They are really preparing us for when we go on further in our education, that we know exactly what we're doing, and it's a breath of fresh air, you know, to get people that really care that much.
They know the amount of help to give us instead of just giving us the answer right away, so they can understand where we're stuck, and then from there give us just that little extra push to allow us to figure it out on our own.
Circuit analysis. I don't believe either of the courses in that sequence had more than a dozen students, so we all got to know each other very well. Not only would Professor Chanley talk to us about the theory and the applications, but then he would immediately give us problems where we would see how we would put that experience into use.
Best thing about the class is definitely the hands-on. They have all this equipment that they allow us to use.
The engineering program at Northern Essex I found to be very well tailored to transfer, particularly to UMass Lowell. The experience of going into those classes and finding a number of classmates with whom I had been working with for a number of semesters, it was very heartening, very comforting to go in, and really the transfer process to another school was not so much a new beginning as a continuation of what I'd done at Northern Essex.
I think it was the best decision I could have ever made.
If you are prepared to put the work in, I can promise you that the professors in the department will put an equal amount of work into you, and you will leave satisfied with what you've done.